the state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success.
Hello! So 13 days to PSLE. Let's look at today's question. The figure shows two overlapping identical squares. 2/5 of each square is shaded. What is the ratio of the shaded area to the unshaded area of the figure? And we need to express our answer in simplest form. So they tell us that 2/5 of each square is shaded, so which means 3/5 is unshaded, right? So if I were to write the ratio down, shaded square is to unshaded square, that will give us 2:3. So let me indicate. Look at this square, okay? So this square here, the yellow highlighted one, the shaded part would be 2 units and the unshaded would be 3. Now let's look at the other square. So the shaded is the same shaded, right? 2 units as well. And the unshaded will be 3 units. So now, what is the ratio of the shaded to the unshaded area of the whole entire figure? Our total unshaded would be 6. And our shaded would be just the 2 units, right? So shaded is to unshaded would be 2:6. And if we simplify that, divide by 2 on both sides, we will get 1:3. And that is the answer. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.